Let's start. Today we will see how to implement toolbar menu buttons in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. This is the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called My App in the main function. This is the My App stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page state. This is _My Home Page state class. Here we will design our app. This is a data member. We will use this variable to show which menu button was clicked by the user. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The leading attribute is set to the icons button widget. This widget will be shown on the very left-hand side of the toolbar. In this widget, we set a back arrow icon. When that icon is pressed, we navigate back to the previous screen. And also show a message in the log. Since in this tutorial, we are only working with a single screen, if I press this button, the app will close completely. Then, we have the actions attribute. Here we can have different menu items. The first item here is a text button. When this button is clicked, we show its name in the variable, and this variable will be shown in a text view later. So that we know which button was clicked by the user. Then we have another menu item in the form of this icon button. The icon of this item is a home icon. When this button is clicked, we show its name in the variable, and this variable will be shown in a text view later. The body attribute, we have a center widget. Inside that, we have a text widget. We show the result variable inside that. So that when a user clicks some menu button, we will see its name here. Let's run the app. As you can see, we have a toolbar with our designed menu buttons. When I click any menu button, its name is shown in the text field. I'm not pressing the back arrow button purposely, because as said earlier, it will directly close the app as we do not have any previous page to go to. So that's it. That's how you can implement a toolbar menu in Flutter Android. Thank you.